Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I feel like I'm having really bad allergies right now because my neck itches, my throat itches kind of, and I don't that's when I eat something that I'm allergic to. That's what happens to it, and yeah. I've been having bad allergies for the past week, literally. Okay, well, let me tell you the good stuff. But actually, it's bad stuff. We're supposed to get a thunderstorm today, like a 7 something, and it is almost the time. It's 7:19. We're supposed to get a thunderstorm coming right to us, and then we're supposed to get another one. It's like an isolated thunderstorm. So we're supposed to get a thunderstorm all day, and then at there's supposed to be this bad, bad, bad storm coming to us, and we're supposed to get possible tornado stuff. So we have to go to our neighbor's yard because we don't have a basement. We do, but it's not underground, only the front is. But if it comes from this way, here's the front of our house, and then you go down, you can see this cement and all that. Here it is, and then a little forward there is a sliding glass door. If it comes from that area, we would all be dead. And we don't have an underneath stairs because my mom's stuff is all in there, so we have to go to our neighbor's house. Their door will be open for us, their back door, and we can go in there if there is a bad storm. Because they might be sleeping though, because they go to bed at 8 p.m. or something because of their baby, child, toddler, whatever. I don't know his name. But yeah. We're supposed to get strong thunderstorms. Let me go and see when that is. Hold up. My nose is very. Oh, wow. So it's 7:45. Now it says heavy thunderstorms. It did not say that before. So the strongest thunderstorm is happening at 8 p.m. It's supposed to be scattered strong thunderstorms, scattered strong thunderstorms, and it's supposed to last up until 4 a.m. I'm just reading that now. Because it starts at 8 p.m. and that's when the strong thunderstorm's gonna come. I mean, not 8 p.m. Actually, yeah, 8 p.m. That's when it's supposed to come and hit us. And then we're supposed to get strong thunderstorms. I've never seen strong thunderstorms on this before. On the weather, I only seen heavy thunderstorms on this, so this is something new that I've seen before, but I'm very scared because it's supposed to last till 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for 8 hours, full night of sleep. But who cares if it's supposed to last for 8 hours? It's supposed to last for 8 hours, literally. And in those times, in that time, we could have a tornado. Because today we have a chance of hail. Well, we're going to get hail today. We're going to get really a lot of rain, a lot of thunderstorms, and we are going to possibly get a tornado in those 8 hours of a strong thunderstorm. And it's bad. I'm trying to make this video now so I don't have to make it in the afternoon. But I'll do Rachel's little about everything. I'm not crying. I'm yawning. So yeah. Yeah. Sorry. My freaking allergies. I hate allergies. So that's what's happening today. We're supposed to get a thunderstorm. Heavy thunderstorms. But we're supposed to get okay, we're supposed what the fudge? You saw that, right, guys? Thank you. Yeah. You turn off the light and turn it back on. No, the power just went out. Oh. Hey, guys. Stop. Hey, can you right here? I was gonna end the freaking video. Sorry, guys. I don't know what the heck just happened. Well, guys, I don't have no connection for some reason. I'll just get back to you guys later. Make sure you like, subscribe, and watch this video right here. Peace.